Welcome back to another video. This time I'm looking at access, and what I want to do is I want to look at how we get this ID to go back to 1. So you can see I'll be typing in some details about some films, most streamed movies of 2022. Um, Now I've actually just draw the chart I'm sort of looking at. Basically, I can see that I've done them slightly wrong, right? I need to have Encanto at the top, right? And also the ID numbers are wrong. So how can I get it to basically be able to put those at the top? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the records and I'm going to delete the records. Okay, so we'll delete them. And now if we look at what we got here, right? Right, I want to put Encanto as number 1, and then I can paste them back in. So when I do Encanto as number 1, you can see it's giving me an ID of 6, but I want that ID to be 1, right? Okay, so that's not going to work, right? So what we have to do then is we have to basically go and into this database tools, and we do compact and repair database. This doesn't really make much difference here. Okay, now when we go back into the table, we'll see what happens. I'm going to try putting Encanto as number 1, and you can see now it's number 1, right? And then we can say that's Disney Plus, and then that's 27.416. And then what I can do is I can take the things that I copied and just paste them in. And you can see now, yeah. So now what happens, you can see that looks right now, right? So yeah, so that's basically if you want to get the ID number to go back to how it was at the beginning.